Now there may be questions in multinomial theorems also where we need to find product of coefficients. Say for example this one. So we are given the expansion of 1 plus x squared to the power n, which is a naught, a1x, a2x square, a3x cube, and a2n x to the power 2n. And I need to find the product of a naught square. So I need to find the series which is a naught square minus a1 square plus a2 square and then plus an square. So I'm multiplying a naught with a naught, a1 with a1, a2 with a2. So that is difference between two suffix is constant, right? So now I'll start with the first series, which is 1 plus x square to the power n. So here I'll write it as a naught plus a1x, a2x square, a3x cube, and here will be a2nn x to the power 2n. Now I need to reverse the series. Now I cannot reverse the series as we have done in binomial, because in multinomial we cannot reverse the series or we cannot reverse the terms to get the same expansion. So what I'll do is I'll replace x with 1 upon x. So if I'll replace x with 1 upon x, then this term will be 1 upon x to the power 2n, so which will come with a naught. So in case of multinomial expansions, so we have to replace x with 1 upon x, and because there is an alternate plus or minus sign, so in fact I'll replace x with minus 1 upon x. So if I'll replace x with minus 1 upon x, I'll write 1 minus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x squared to the power n, and it will be a naught plus a1 minus a1 upon x plus a2 1 upon x square minus a3 1 upon x cube, and will continue, and will be a2n and 1 upon x to the power 2n. Now I'll multiply the two expressions. So if I'll multiply the two expressions, so I'll write 1 plus x square to the power n, and here I'll take x square LCM. I'll write x square minus x plus 1 to the power n, and here there'll be lot many terms, but then I'll just focus on the term or the series that I need. I need a naught square. So if I'll multiply a naught with a naught, I'll get a naught square, and then minus a1 into a1 is a1 square. So a naught square, it is term independent of x. Again, a1 gets multiplied with a1, again independent of x. X square, 1 upon x square, x cube, 1 upon x cube, x to the power 2n and x to the power 1 upon 2n. So that is the series that I need in this expression is actually coefficient of x to the power 0. So from this series, so if I have to find the answer to this series, which is a naught square minus a1 square plus a2 square, this series has to be coefficient of x to the power 0. So from this series, I'll need to find coefficient of x to the power 0. So what I'll do is I'll multiply them. So it is a plus b and a minus b. So I'll write 1 plus x square whole square and then minus x square to the power n divided by x to the power 2n. So if I'll further simplify, I'll write 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4 to the power n upon x to the power 2n. So from this series, I need to find coefficient of x to the power 0. Now, how do I find coefficient of x to the power 0? I know that there is x to the power 2n in the denominator. So whatever I'll get from the numerator, it will be cancelled or it will be subtracted by this power of x, which is x to the power 2n. So in order to get x to the power 0, I need to find out coefficient of x to the power 2n in the expansion of 1 plus x square x to the power 4 to the power n, or I can write it as I need to find coefficient of x squared to the power n in 1 plus x square whole square to the power n. If I look at this series, 1 plus x square, here it is 1 plus x square whole square. So if I replace x with x square, I'll get 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4 to the power n. So I'll get a naught, a1x square, a2x to the power 4, and here this term will be an x to the power 2n, and then a2n x to the power 4n. Now what I'm looking for? I'm looking for coefficient of x to the power 2n. So in this series, coefficient of x to the power 2n is simply an. So that is coefficient of x naught on the left hand side will be nothing but an. So therefore, answer to this series, a naught square minus a1 square plus a2 square plus an square is nothing but an. So we may get questions when we multiply coefficients in multinomial theorem also.
If you like the video, consider subscribing and sharing it with someone you know who might benefit from it. Also, the best way to navigate any topic is through a playlist. Simply go to the channel page, click playlist, and select the topic you wish to study.